Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Healthy Cravings. Today we'll be creating something amazing and sweet. Thank you Christ Ambassadors for supporting this episode, especially for CLCC's 27th anniversary. Gagawa tayo ng tanghulo or yung sugar-coated fruits. I-enjoy lang natin na tuhugin itong mga grapes, the green and the red ones. Yung pinaka-target natin ay makagawa ng at least 300 sticks. Napaka-popular ng tanghulo and we know very well na yung coating niya ay gawa sa sugar and water. At dahil para sa lahat ang ating mga tinutuhog, pwede silang mamili. Pwede nilang kainin fresh or pwede nilang i-dip sa boiling syrup mamaya. As the Healthy Cravings always reminds, eat in moderation. So let's try preparing the first set. Gagamit tayo ng about a cup of sugar and more than a quarter water. Let the water saturate the sugar and begin to heat at the lowest fire. Pwedeng dagdagan ng water pero it would take more time to become concentrated, which is appropriate to coat the fruits. So let this syrup heat and reach its hard crack stage para maging crunchy yung kalalabasan ng ating mga i-coat. Let's try dipping one. Yan, and after 7 minutes of heating the syrup, pwede na siya. It is perfect to coat these grapes. And sa part na to, kailangang mabilis kumilos. Yeah, you dip it once and it works well at ilagay mo agad doon sa prepare mong lalagyanan, parchment paper para hindi magdikit or sa isang pwede mong isabit itong stick. And this is an important reminder, lalo na pag maramihan ang gagawin, I suggest na gumamit kayo ng gloves. Sobrang sakit sa skin yung pagdikit ng syrup, para siyang shoe glue na pag tinanggal mo ay matatanggal din yung balat. And dip it into this water with ice. I think yung pag-dip dito sa water full of ice ay pwedeng optional, lalo na pag yung ginawa mong syrup ay perfect. Otherwise, makakatulong yung paglublog sa napakalamig na tubig na mas patigasin yung coating. This must be so crunchy. Listen to the crunch. Alright, that's perfect. This time, gagawa tayo ng sugar syrup na may corn syrup. Gagamit tayo ngayon ng half cup of sugar, white sugar, plus a little amount of water, at least more than 1/4 ng amount ng sugar, plus dagdagan natin ng about 2 tablespoon or 3 tablespoon of corn syrup. And like the first syrup we made, i-heat natin siya at the lowest possible heat. This took about 5 minutes to boil and form the appropriate stickiness of the syrup na kailangan natin. Let's try. Itong mixture na may corn syrup ay mas maganda para sa akin. Mas madaling iikot na lahat na lalagyan. Mas maganda rin siyang tignan. And a reminder again kilala yung corn syrup to be really unhealthy even in small amounts, especially when consumed regularly. So, inalaw lang natin ito na gawin dahil minsan lang naman. Grabe, this is so pleasing to the eyes. The sound is so crunchy too. Another tip na kailangan nating i-remember when we make this is not to stir the syrup as we heat. Let it just boil by itself. And not to forget, never stir the sugar in the water and the syrup, and I think it works well. At yung ginawa nating syrup with that corn syrup ay makakagawa ng at least 10 sticks. Na-amaze talaga ako dito. Napakaganda. Para siyang Christmas decoration. Hello! Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Kung nakaabot kayo sa part na to, I hope na natuto kayo sa ways and sa ingredients that we followed in preparing this tanghulo. And please enjoy watching to the end as the kids and the others enjoy this sweet after a long day celebration.
Tapos ng ganito. Edit nyo lang. Okay, what?
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comments for more recipes and fun time we share here at the Healthy Cravings. This is Marge. God bless.
I-rate po natin kung ilang gaano po kasarap, 1 to 10. Masarap po.
Go!